Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. Welcome to our comprehensive guide on troubleshooting the Thermomix TM31, specifically addressing the error 52 related to jar contacts. Let's dive into the necessary steps to resolve this issue effectively. First, gather the following tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a soft cloth, and a can of compressed air. These will help you access the internal components of your Thermomix safely. 1. Power off and unplug. Before you begin, ensure your Thermomix is powered off and unplugged to avoid any electrical hazards. 2. Remove the base. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws located at the bottom of the appliance. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once unscrewed, gently lift the base off to expose the internal components. 3. Inspect the contacts. With the base removed, locate the jar contacts. These are typically found near the motor. Inspect them for any signs of dirt or damage. If they appear dirty, use a soft cloth to clean them gently. For deeper cleaning, you can use compressed air to blow away any debris that may be obstructing the contacts. Check for loose connections. While you have the device open, check all wiring connections near the jar contacts. Ensure that nothing is loose or disconnected. If you notice any issues, you may want to secure the connections to prevent future errors. 5. Reassemble the Thermomix. Once you've completed the inspection and cleaning, it's time to reassemble the unit. Replace the base and screw it back into place securely. Make sure all screws are tightened appropriately to avoid any rattling during use. 6. Test the device. Plug your Thermomix back in and power it up. Check if the error 52 message persists. If it does, there may be a more serious internal issue that requires professional assistance. If you're unsure or don't have the tools, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. 7. Consider our services. If the problem continues and you prefer not to deal with the hassle of repairs yourself, you might want to consider our services. We provide pickup and delivery at your home, making the process convenient for you. Plus, there are no calls or travel necessary, everything can be arranged online. 8. Get a quote before repair. Lastly, if you decide to engage our services, we ensure you receive a quote before any repair work is conducted. This way, you can make an informed decision without any surprises. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot the Thermomix TM31 error 52 effectively. Always remember to maintain your device regularly to avoid similar issues in the future. Thank you for watching, and best of luck with your Thermomix. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.